Alright, well, back at it again. And today we're actually going to finally put on the intake manifold. Hopefully. And the gasket. Oh shit, yeah. So, no more videos on the Volkswagen. We now don't have that. So, yeah. Now it's a 2021 Elantra. I don't have new studs and bolts for this one, unfortunately. Wish I did. Oh, there's my 10. Alright, gasket time. Maybe. Alright. If you've been watching long enough, you've probably been waiting on this here video. I finally actually get it closer together. To do a fucking box clean out in this place. It's so bad. Amount of clutter in here. I'm gonna go back and fix that. Alright, that is all in. I will be back after I figure out how to get everything else off to get to the fuel rod back up here.